Alright, today we will still be working in the terminal, and we have our task on the left screen. It says in this lab your task is to give B. Cassini user ownership of HR/payroll file. So let's just go into our terminal. We're gonna change owner, which is CH owner OWN. Change owner, and the person we're changing is B. Cassini. So it's gonna be B. Cassini space /HR /payroll. B. Cassini HR payroll, and hit enter. So let's check ls space dash hit enter. Alright, so I think this is changed. Alright, so we go over to ls space dash l space /HR. Alright, so this has been changed. S dash alright, so let's check our answers. So this is correct. If this video was helpful, you might want to consider sharing this video, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.